customize GeneratePress theme like this. Just follow these 9 steps. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. This is my demo site. Go to Appearance and click Themes. First, install GeneratePress theme. Click Add New and search here GeneratePress theme. I have already installed this. So click Activate. Now this is activated. And second step, buy and install GeneratePress Premium. So let's go to buy. Simply search GPLG themes and go to GPL themes and plugins, www.gplg.com. Open this, scroll down and see this GeneratePress Premium GPL at only 199 rupees for Indians. Add to cart. Check out. Fill this form. Click I have read and agree. Proceed to payment and type your phone number, fill your email and then click proceed. You can pay with Visa, MasterCard, RuPay card and more, UPI, net banking, wallet, pay later and also QR code. After complete your payment, here is your dashboard. Go the downloads and here your GeneratePress Premium. Click on download. Go to the plugin section and click on add new. Click here upload plugin and click choose file and choose your GP Premium plugin. Click open and then install now. Click the activate plugin. GP Premium is activated. Go to the configure and then activate all modules. Then again go to the plugin section and click on add new and search here generate blocks. I have already installed and activate this. You can install and activate the generate blocks plugins from here. Then click on elements. Click on add new element. Choose the block option and create. Give a title to this element. Click here. Select this code. Copy and paste here. You will find the link to this code in the description box or search web blogging scholar on Google. See here web blogging scholar, right way of blogging. Click here and then search here GeneratePress customization with elements. Go to our WordPress and then choose location, all archives, add location rule, blog, add another location rule, choose search result, go to the element option, element type, select content template and simply publish it. If you want to change the color of button, title, meta, so simply click this button and then go to block option. Here all option related to this button: typography, height, weight, font size, font family, and here spacing, background color and hover effect. This is background color, see this, and this is hover color, see this, and this is font color. The color of button is completely changed. You can also change color of this button, title, post meta. Now customize this. Then go to appearance, customize. Now our site look like this. So for customize this, go to layout, container, and scroll down. Choose content layout to one container and publish. Go back and click to the blog option. Scroll down. Choose display post in columns. 3 columns. Publish it and go back. Click to the sidebars. Sidebar layout. No sidebars. Blog sidebar layout. No sidebar. Single post sidebar layout. Content / sidebar. Publish it and go back. Go to the header option. See this? So I want change it. Header preset. Navigation after. Header with full. Inner header with content. Header alignment center. Publish it and go back. Go to the primary navigation. Navigation with full. Inner content. Alignment center. You can also change header and primary navigation menus, colors, fonts, font size, etc. Simply publish it and go back. Go to the colors. Here primary navigation, background color and navigation text color. Change it to white. Choose our color. Copy it and same current color. See this? Close it and go to header. Click to the site title color and change it and publish. Go to the general option. Underline links. Never. Underline is gone and publish it. And now go to the layout, footer, full width content, back to top button, enable. For footer customization, go to our dashboard and click the elements, add new element, choose block option and then click create. Here your element title. Click here, copy this code and paste it here. You will find both code in same link. Link is given in description box. You can change these options as you want. Here some pages, privacy policy, terms of service. Click here and click this link option and replace this to your own link. If you want to add more pages, simply click this button icon and plus. See here, privacy policy, terms of service, terms of service. You can change this text and link. Simply select this and right here, click this link icon and give your own link. Click here, select this and write your own site title like as demo. See here, social icons. Here is social icons. Click LinkedIn and same procedure, click and change this link to your own social links. Scroll down, choose your display rule, entire side. Click here elements option. Scroll down, elements type. Choose the footer, site footer and publish it. Now let's see our site. See here, a beautiful customization, footer, posts, header and primary navigations. Here your categories, message, authors. If you want to add search icon in primary navigation, go to the customize, click to the layout, go to the primary navigation, scroll down. Here navigation search is, click to the enable and publish it. Now your site is look like as a professional site. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.